हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर द चैप्टर फन विद मैग्नेट्स। हमने ये चैप्टर का शॉर्ट ओवरव्यू किया था इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, सो यू कैन चेक दैट वीडियो। अभी हम इसकी कुछ सिंपल सी एक्सरसाइजेस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ट्रू एंड फॉल्स करेंगे एंड यू विल बी प्रोवाइडेड विद द आंसर्स एज वेल। So let's start. Fill in the blanks. Understanding magnetic concepts. Complete the following statements to enhance our understanding of magnets and their properties. Okay. So artificial magnets are made in different shapes, such as कौन-कौन से magnets होते हैं? आपने देखा होगा cylindrical magnets, bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, right? So ये सब answers आएंगे इसमें. Now, the materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called कौन से materials होते हैं वो? So the materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials, right? And which, for example, iron, cobalt, nickel, right? और जो नहीं होते हैं attract, उन्हें बोला जाता है non-magnetic materials. So paper is not a is paper attracted to magnet? Is paper attracted to magnet? कभी पेपर को अट्रैक्ट करके देखा है आपने? So paper is a non-magnetic material, right? So paper is not a magnetic material. ये आएगा आंसर. In ancient times, dash used to find direction by dash a piece of magnetized metal. So अगर आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा होगा तो उसमें ये दे रखा है कि एंशियंट टाइम्स मतलब पहले के टाइम्स में sailors used to find direction by compasses, right? And a piece of magnetized metal. Okay, sailor direction. So sailors used to do that, right? So this is the answer. Now next आ जाता है a magnet always has always has dash poles, a dash pole and a dash pole. Okay, so magnet के कितने poles होते हैं? Magnet has two poles, right? A north pole and a south pole. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं हम ट्रू एंड फॉल्स पे. टेस्टिंग योर नॉलेज ऑन मैग्नेटिज्म. नाउ डिटरमाइन द वैलिडिटी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स बाय रिगार्डिंग मैग्नेट्स. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole. Is it true or is it false? I don't think any magnet has only one pole. All types of magnets have two poles, right? So this is false. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Is this correct? Are you sure? No, artificial magnets were not discovered in Greece. It is false. Now, similar poles of a magnet repel each other. Is it true or false? Well, we all know that similar poles of a magnet repel each other and opposite poles of a magnet attract each other. So this is correct, true, right? Now, fourth पे आ जाते हैं. Maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. Now, in the previous video, we saw an activity, right? कि उसमें हमने iron fillings sprinkle करी थी bar magnet के ऊपर. तो सबसे ज़्यादा iron fillings कहाँ attract हुई थी? They were attracted to the poles rather than in the middle. So this is false, right? Fifth पे आ जाते हैं. Fifth is bar magnets always point towards the north and south direction. That is true or false? It is true, right? A compass can be used to find the east-west direction at any place. Is this true or is this false? अभी हमने देखा कि bar magnets. Now, bar magnets always point towards north-south direction. Similarly, compass can be used to find north-south direction, not east and west direction. So this is false. Now, is rubber a magnetic material? रबर को आप मैग्नेट के पास लेके जाएंगे, उसकी प्रॉक्सिमिटी में रखेंगे, so that it won't be attracted towards the magnet, right? Like plastic or paper or wood, rubber is also a non-magnetic material. So the answer for this is also false. Now आप ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे आपको आंसर्स गिवन है. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी डाउट्स हो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. आई वुड बी ग्लैड टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं, एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी दे रखी है, ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं. हमने एक कार वाली एक्टिविटी भी करी थी जिसमें कार ए एंड कार बी represent two magnets or इनके poles, right? Front is one pole and rear is another pole. Front and back. Rear means back, right? So if the front of a car is facing another front of car B, so दोनों पोल्स सिमिलर हैं बिकॉज दोनों कार्स के फ्रंट हैं, सो सिमिलर पोल्स would cause attraction or repulsion. It would cause repulsion, right? Now rear of car A facing front of car B. Now the दोनों cars के यानी दोनों magnets के opposite poles हैं, so इसका मतलब they would cause attraction. Now the last one is rear of car A facing rear of car B. मतलब दोनों के rear parts हैं, rear यानी backwards, so दोनों are similar poles of the magnets. That means they would show repulsion. So this was all for it today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment under this. And I hope you liked it. और आगे मिलते हैं फिर. Thank you so much.